welcome to the channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're actually discussing a company called SOUN, and the ticker for that is SOUN. The stock actually went as high as 68%, and right now it's sitting around 62-63%. I'm going to talk about that company. I'm going to show you guys who actually investing in this company right now. There are big names that are investing in this company. All right. So first of all, SoundHound is an AI company that started trading 2 days ago, and they recently acquired another company called SPAC, which already was trading, and they had an equity of about 113 million, which went to SoundHound when they purchased that, when they merged with that entity. Now, as far as the big investors that are part of this company, is Oracle is one of them, Hyundai is one of them, MasterCard, Qualcomm, Honda, Netflix, Samsung. These are big names that are part of the investors in this company. All right, so that's really good. Market cap of the company is 2.6 billion. On an average, the stocks that is traded on when they launched on 28 to 143,000. Right now, they're sitting at about 14 million stocks were traded so far. This is only 1 o'clock right now, 12:35 to be exact. 52-week range is about $5, and between $5 and $12, because they only started trading 2 days ago, so there's not much there. So let's look at their balance sheet real quick. So total assets they have, everything is by 1,000, so it's 49 million. And total liabilities they have about 392, because I think recently they purchased that another firm, right? So that's why the liability went up a little bit. But right now the balance sheet doesn't look that profitable. Let's look at the cash flow. Cash flow from operations is negative 66 million, which means their operations practically is not profitable right now as well. And investing cash flow is 636 million. This is probably because of the investment they did. Financing, they raised about 44 million. So the stocks or whatever they're dealing with right now, they're issuing the stocks, they gained about 44 million on that. So their end cash position is about 22 million. So they do have some cash on hand, but the operation is currently not successful. However, there's one analyst from this company, Northland Cap MK. He said it's a strong buy. But again, looking at the financials right now, I think the only thing probably people are going off of how many companies are investing in this company, like the numbers that the companies that we went through, Oracle, Hyundai, Samsung, and all these investors they have, right? That could be a good indicator. Right now, there's not enough data to know what institutional banks hold for this stock, so we'll come to realize that after, maybe a few days. So let's look at the chart now. The stock was traded heavily in pre-market, and the stock opened up at around 38 on a Fibonacci retracement. It opened up at around 38.2%, which was $12.27. It dropped down to the lowest point it did at $8.21. And now it's sitting at about 23.6% on Fibonacci retracement, which is $10.82. Now, if it crossed that $10.82, if it potentially crossed $12.21, it could go back to $14. And if it, of course, crossed $14, the next stop is going to be $18. Right now, the volume that is being traded is 95,000 shares were traded in this 5-minute span. And so there's a lot of shares are being traded for the stock right now, and the stock is still going. And if you're in the market right now, I would definitely look at the stock. On the R side, the relative strength index is sitting at about 55, which means that it's still on above the 50. Anything above 50, it means that generally the stock is having a good run, sort of consolidation at that point. Like if it started going up, like go to 60, 63, you'll see a lot of upward momentum on the stock as well. As far as the MACD is concerned, MACD seems to be almost getting to the signal line, and looks like it might cross over because histogram looks very weak, and that potentially could turn into a green, and then stock can start the upward momentum again. Like if you notice here, the candle start let me just zoom out a little bit. Hold on one second. Yeah, I can't zoom in, but the stock candle, if you see this right here, let me remove, actually, you know what, matter of fact, let me remove this. See the stock, the candle is building up now. We just talked about it, 95,000 has got to 151,000 shares, so a lot of volume is being traded right now. It'll be very interesting to see how this closed today, but the stock is definitely up. And this is a good market too, right? There's a lot of good investors part of the stock, so I would definitely keep this on a watch list and definitely take a look at the stock. Now, just wanted to bring this quick video for you guys. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, if you're not subscribed, please do consider subscribing. I release it every day. The objective is to get you guys information, a bit early. So, if there's still momentum or there's still going on, or if the next day is going to be a good day for our stock, I'll bring that news to you. So I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you.